Hello students. So today we are going to see this new chapter which is known as Artificial Intelligence. Introduction. Artificial intelligence is an area of computer science focused on creating machines that can engage on behavior that humans consider intelligence. So what is intelligence? So we'll be taking some decisions in a intelligent way. Say for example, you are riding a bicycle in the road, okay, in the street. You see a dog crossing the street. What happens? You will suddenly put the brake and slow down your vehicle so that the dog cross the street, and after crossing the street you will ride the bicycle. So this is a kind of intelligence. So uh, so this kind of intelligence can be created artificially. So the intelligence that we have is natural intelligence. So the intelligence that is given to the computer artificially by man is known as artificial intelligence. So the ability of creating intelligence machine has intrigued humans since ancient times. As today, with the advance of computer and 50 years of research into AI programming techniques, the dream of smart machines is coming a reality. The term uh, artificial intelligence refers to the enterprise of understanding and building intelligent systems. Okay, so since the artificial intelligence creation of machine like artificial intelligence was begin in ancient time, so people were creating artificial intelligence machines from for decades. Okay, after computer has arrived and 50 years of research, we have created a artificial intelligence right now. Okay, so with artificial intelligence, what is artificial intelligence? AI research is highly technical and specified, deeply divided into subfields, often failed to communicate with each other. Some of the divisions is due to social and cultural factor. Subfields has grown up and around particular instruction and and works of individual research and work on individual research. Okay, so this artificial intelligence has some subdivisions. Okay, subdivisions. So these subdivisions has having some problem with communicating with other subdivisions. So this research has been completely failed because of this communication lack. So AI research is also divided by several technical issues. There are subfields which are focused on the solutions of specific problems. On one of the several problem approach, one on the use of differing tools, widely differing tools, and towards the accomplishment of particular application. The central problems of AI include such as uh, traits as reasoning, knowledge, planning, learning, communication, precipitation, and ability to move, manipulation of objects. So these are all the central problems faced by the AI, artificial intelligence machine. Currently, popular approach includes statistical method, computational intelligence, and traditional symbolic AI. So these are all the different types of researches that are going on artificial intelligence. Okay, so what are the problems that are faced by artificial intelligence right now is given in this paragraph. Okay, so beginning of AI, a number of people independently started to work on intelligence machine. The English mathematician Alan Turing mm, have been the first. He gave the lecture on AI in 1947. So he also may have been the first to decide that AI was the best researched by programming computer uh, rather than by building machines. Okay, so Alan Turing is the first person who 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 suggested that artificial intelligence can be made by using computer, not by creating a new machine. Okay, so you can train the computer to become a artificial intelligence machine, not by creating a entirely new machine. Okay, so by late 1950s, there was many researchers on AI, and most of them were based that their work on programming computer. In 1990s and early to 21st century, AI achieved its greatest success. Okay, so after creating so much of researchers, you can see that at the 21st century, the artificial intelligence has become very successful, and nowadays we are using this artificial intelligence in our day-to-day life. Okay, so the uses of artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence is used for logistics. Logistics means moving goods from one place to another. Okay, example, you are using Amazon, so Amazon packages will be delivered from country to country, state to state, district to district. Everything is monitored by using this artificial intelligence. Data mining, extracting information from Facebook post or images, memes, everything is done by using artificial intelligence. Medical diagnosis. Okay, now robots are doing surgery in medical field, so medical diagnosis is achievable by using artificial intelligence, and many other areas throughout the technology industry. The success was due to the increasing computation power of computer. Okay, so in olden days, computer used to do some small work in a very long time, but nowadays computers are using uh, very smart CPUs and processors, so that it can do a very large task in a very small time. Okay, so this is the greatest achievement of artificial intelligence. Okay, so it is used for automatical control of system in various fields. So it reduces the work of manpower. Okay, so here you can see that to the Mars planet we have sent some rovers. Okay, it is a machine that can take decision on its own and automatically control its parts. Okay, so that is the example. Now specialty areas. Here you can see that. So the evolution of specialty areas, vision, natural language, research and retrieval, e-commerce, AI in medicine, AI in education, AI and law, robotics, game playing, ambiguous computing. So these are all the different specialty of artificial intelligence. Sensor network, intelligence using interface, user interface, sorry, user modeling, speech recognition. So these are all the different areas of uh, artificial intelligence. The Turing test was introduced to consider the question, can machine think? Consider the question, can machine think? The test is an essential concept in the philosophy of artificial intelligence. So, can machine think is an important question. So, these are all the expectation of AI in our daily life. Okay, communication. The artificial intelligence is in communication. It is in time management. It is in health and safety. It is in education, goals and information needs, games, recreation activities, products purchase and marketing. So these all the things listed here works with the artificial intelligence to make it even more smarter. So thank you, students. With this we'll finish the class. We'll see the rest of the things in the next class.